This video is going to be very special for all those engineers out there just because of three reasons. If you want to find a good job in Gulf region in oil and gas sector, okay. The second important thing, you want to grow your job career as a professional. And the third most important thing and very demanding, high salary job career. I have came across in my job career early stage when I wanted all these three things. But only solution is to learn and learn new skills. Here in today's video, I'm going to share with you project planning and control, but not in generic way. Today, my project planning control video is linked with plant shutdown management. The people who want to pursue their job career inside the refineries, inside the power plants, inside the grid stations, inside the factories, mills, textile mills, cement plants, and many other same kind of industry where heavy equipment is operating and you need a certain maintenance after frequent times, which we call plant shutdown periods, plant shutdown management, or turnaround management. In my previous video, I have already explained you people about this phase. So we are working actually step by step as a planning engineer. Identification is done. If you have not yet seen that video, link is above on this video site, right? So identification, once you are done identification, the next phase is actually strategic planning. This planning phase is actually the first step you need to carry out. Planner codes the work order as in planning document, right? From identification, you just documented that my piping is not working properly, my instrumentation is not working properly, my pump is not working properly. Maybe your plant is carrying maybe 200 pumps. So every pump is carrying a certain code. You have to document that certain code that is going to describe your future shutdown management task. And then there are two possibilities. Like one that document is, there you need drawing, engineering required mean you need drawing to do that work or you don't need that, any drawing, any documentation for that job. So first possibility we will go through, yes, we need drawing for that work to execute. So engineering drawing, you are going to contact with your designers, right? And they are going to mention specification, API standards. Once it's done, you are coming on the same point. And next onward, job standard exist. What does mean by standard job exist? If we are going to carry out any risky job, any maintenance job, there are hydrocarbons, there are high pressure valves, there are high temperature things. Okay. So we need to follow always recommended procedures to follow to maintain that equipment, right? So if there is existence, so we need to follow that one. Okay, there are again two possibilities. Yes, your company are that kind of specific task. You have that standard job template. I will be sharing certain templates at the end of today's video. And then there is first possibility. Yes. So copy or modify as per your requirement. Sometime you need something to modify. So that's why copy as it is or make some amendments and estimate how much time it will require to complete. Or there is another possibility, no, there is no standard job model is there. So you need for that, you need to go for that template. Create new standard, just consult with your higher up senior management, the people who are job executors, job performers, your seniors, and create new standard job and estimate as per that one. And again, you are coming at the same point. Other thing, parts and material required. After that, you are going to estimate how many O-rings, how many seals, how many gaskets, how many nuts, how many valves, how many piping, spools, whatever instrumentation, needle valves I need for that. Okay. Again, there are two possibilities. No need of any parts. Maybe some maintenance requires something like that, right? And yes, we need parts, right? So if there is something like that, then this flow chart is going to be like that, where it's going. See over here, planner does a requisition for parts and code work order as waiting parts. Like I am going to wait that I need this parts or rings. Okay, I'm going to raise a requisition request. And then there is another thing, parts are shipped. Okay, our procurement team, our inventory team is going to make ordering. And if they are shipped, we are going to collect. And then once it's done, all material received, make sure about that. Then again, there are two possibilities. If something is missing, again, you are going to repeat that process. If everything is done, then all the points are going to coincide on the same point, that you are going to make sure that things are done. And after this, planners enter planned start date as per your job estimate, as per your material availability. Now you are going to assign logic that this work need to be started on this date as per our availability of the nature of the work. You need this much hours, times, crew, resources, availability of material. You are going to plan that job, and that job is going to mark as a in the scheduling, because from strategic planning to the detailed planning or organized planning, it will be carrying all the tags like resources, start date, finish date. And here I'm going to share with you few documents which are going to help you a lot in this regard. So here you can see, I can show you job method sheet, which is standard job kind of thing. Okay, so this is actually a very old picture, but it is standardized one. This is black and white, like old movies, like, right? So I'm going to share the same thing like this one. See, over here, I will be sharing with you people. Just give me a moment. Like this. Okay, I'll be sharing this document with you people. For that, you have to join my WhatsApp channel, because I can't share these documents like on other platforms. On WhatsApp channel, I can share my PDFs, my daily basis documents, CVs, and all the important templates which you require for maintenance and shutdown. And again, I will be, this is actually job method sheet. I will be sharing this image as well as this. Another one is batch job method sheet. Batch job method sheet means the, bunch of different kind of processes which are linked with each other. So this is also very valuable template you need to carry out. And then you have, this is maintenance job safety check. Okay, maintenance job safety check. So I will be sharing that one as well in very clarity oriented format as well. Okay, so another thing I'll be sharing over here, just wait a moment. BOM, bill of material, that will help you how much material you require for your that certain job. Like these are barcodes, right? Material number, which is going to be taken from the SAP, and this is the specification for that gasket, how many numbers you require, location, material category, installed at point. So everything is actually going with specifications. So these are the kind of documents you need to learn, that they will support your job in more easiest way. So when you are going to learn these things with process, okay, flow, and documentation is there, from where you are going to get this documentation to home, you are going to report these things. It's going to make your job very, very easy. So guys, I will request again you people to comment. Your comments are really valuable for me. And moreover, join my WhatsApp channel in which I'm going to share all these, templates. Thank you very much.